So what we're going to do today is going through poaching an egg. Now, I'm not going to poach it in the proper way because I really struggle, and I think that's why a lot of people don't have poached eggs. And although they're such a great snack, meal, breakfast, people really struggle to poach an egg properly. And if you're like me, you end up with an egg yolk surrounded by a whirlwind of egg white. And I've tried every single method and I just can't seem to master it. So I'm going to poach them with two different, I guess, poaching devices, in the hope that you'll think that actually with the help of a little gadget, you can poach an egg, because it really is a great meal. So we're going to pop our poachers into our pan of boiling water and crack our eggs into them. Now, the two poachers they look different, but they essentially do exactly the same thing. There we go. So that's one, and then we'll pop our second one in very gently. Perfect. And it doesn't take long. That's the beauty with eggs. Not only are they cheap, they're readily available, they taste great, and they're so nutritious. It's a great source of protein for kids, for adults, and they're so versatile. There are so many things that you can do with eggs: baked eggs, scrambled eggs, poached eggs, fried eggs, omelettes, and all of those dishes are reasonably quick, cheap, and also very versatile. You can flavour them with all sorts of different things, and you can play around with them. Now you can see the black one actually is poaching a little bit faster than the green one, but what we're going to do is just have poached eggs on toast. So I'm going to put my toast on to cook, and this is a really great breakfast. You know, it seems like quite an effort to make something cooked in the morning before you leave for work, and I do get that a lot of you just don't have time or think that you don't have enough time. But even if it's just a Saturday or a Sunday, but trying to make the time to cook something, to have poached eggs, to have an omelette, or to have, scrambled eggs, is a really, really good idea. Now, we'll just wait for this toast to do. The poached eggs should take maybe another 2 to 3 minutes, and then we'll be back and plate up. So I think we're about ready now. They've taken slightly different amounts of time. It's quite interesting because I've never used these two poaching things together, and the metal black one was, I guess as you would expect, a lot faster than the silicone green one. So anyway, we're about ready. Probably took, depending on how hard you like your eggs, probably took about 5-6 minutes. So there we go. But you can see we have pretty much a perfect poached egg. Now I just have to hope that it comes out okay. Possibly won't be perfect, but it doesn't matter. It will still taste great. So turning it inside out, and there we go. And poached egg, and then we'll grab the other one. Take the water off the top. A lot of the water, when it's bubbling, spits onto the top, but again, that's not a problem. And again, we'll just loosen this one around the sides. And admittedly, they don't look as pretty as a perfectly poached egg, but at least you get all of your white. And there you have it. Really quick, really easy. Although like that, it doesn't look particularly appetizing, but quick, nutritious meal for breakfast. Have a go, honestly, have a go. Go and buy some of these poach pods if you can't poach an egg normally. They're really worth it.